Hello students, in this video we are going to see about the division, the steps to be followed in division. Divide 4236 by 14. We are going to divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. So here 14 only no, so let's write 14 table till 9 counts enough. Then this dividend, that is 4236 is going to be divided to 14 equally. So let's take that 4236 as dividend. It's a dividend and 14 is a divisor. So we have written table here. The first step, writing the number dividend, you have to write by giving proper space. Between each digit you give proper space and write. Now take the first digit 4. What is the first digit? 4. Check in the product column. This is a table, no children, table. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. No, this is called times. How many times? And this column is called product column. This is product because in multiplication the answer is called product. So this column is product column. So now we take the first digit 4. You check that 4 is here in this product column. Is here 4? Only 4? No. Just smaller than 4 also will not be available because the starting number itself 14. So 4 will not be available in product column, so 0, that is that 4 cannot be divided by 14. Then let's take 42, 2-digit number. We have taken 1-digit number 4, that is not available, just smaller than 4 also not available. So now we are taking 2-digit number 42. Check here, is here 42? Yes, see 42 is here. How many times? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So let's write the 3 times over, here in the question place, over dividend. Question place we are writing 3. First 1-digit number we have taken, it is not available. So we can place 0 here or we can leave. Then we are taking 2-digit number 42 and we are checking in the answer column. The product column. So you must check only in the product column. 42 is available. How many times? 3 times. So first you write the times in question place. Then what is the product? 42. That product to be written under 42 because we have taken 42 only, no, under that we are writing the product which we received by 3 times. 3 14s are, or 14 3s are 42. Now let's subtract. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0. So we receive the remainder 0 now. That is when we divide 42 by 14, it is 3 times and no remainder. Now this is called remainder. The remainder must be smaller than the divisor. Every remainder, whenever, in division you will be repeatedly you will be subtracting. So every remainder must be smaller than the divisor. So now the remainder is 0. Now we are bringing down the next digit from the dividend place. Here the next digit 3. We are bringing down. Now this is called fresh number 003. So 3 only, no. This 3 is called fresh number. See, now this is remainder. After subtracting, this is called remainder. At present remainder is 0. Then we have to bring down the next digit from the dividend place. We are bringing down next digit. Now 003, that is 3 only, no. So this 3 is called fresh number. This fresh number to be checked in product column. What is the fresh number? 3. The 3 to be checked in product column. Just see, is here 3? No, because the starting number itself 14, just smaller than 3 also will not be available. So at this moment we will place 0 in the quotient place. See, when do we place 0 here? When the fresh number is not available, just smaller than fresh number also not available. 3 here, the fresh number is 3 is not available, just smaller than 3 also not available in product column. That time we place 0 in the quotient place. As soon as you placed 0, bring down the next digit from the dividend place. See, what is the next digit? 6. Bring down. So now, whenever we bring down the digit, that is called a fresh number. Now 0036, that is 36 is a fresh number. 36 is a fresh number. So now fresh number only we will check in the table, that is product column. Is here 36? Check, is here 36? No. So we have to see if 36, if the fresh number is not available, we have to check just smaller than the fresh number. 36 is not available, then just smaller than 36. 42 is greater than that, so just smaller mean 28 only. 14 also smaller than 36, but the word just smaller than 36. So just smaller than 36 is 28 only. How many times? 2 times. So first you write the times, 2 times in quotient place. Then what is the product? 28, because 2 14s are 28. Write that product 28 under 36. Under 36. Now we are going to subtract. So as usual we will be subtracting from the last place, that is from ones place. So from 6, can we take away 8? No. So borrow from 3. 3 becomes 2. Then give that 1 here, it becomes 16. So from 16, if you take away 8, you get 8 here. Then 2 minus 2, 0. That's all. So now we get the remainder here 8. 2 minus 2, 0. Here also 0. Now this is called remainder. Whenever you subtract, you get the answer. No, that is called remainder. That remainder must be smaller than the divisor. Every remainder you check with the divisor whether the remainder is smaller than the divisor or not. If it is smaller only, you are proceeding properly. Now the remainder is 8. Is there any other digit to bring down? After getting remainder, the next step we have to bring down the next digit. Like that we will be proceeding the division. So now there is no digit to bring down. So 8, that's all. We are stopping. So before going to stop, check whether the remainder is smaller than the divisor, and next whether is there any other digit to bring down. That's all. So now the quotient. Quotient in division, the answer is called quotient. So 302 is the quotient and the remainder is 8. That is, I had 4,236 rupees. I shared to 14 persons. Each they received 302 rupees. Division means we have to share equally. 14, no, I shared 14%. Each of them received equally 302 rupees. After sharing equally, I am having remainder 8.